I think Mr. Museveni should stop being shy and reenact trial at detention without trial, so that we know, instead of harassing courts to do what you are doing. So it has been clarified that what has been going on has been a preliminary hearing.
It has been closed.
Not closed.
So I think, hear me out, please. Hear me out. Really, I think
Preliminary hearing has been closed.
No.
if it has, I think Mr. Museveni should stop being shy and reenact trial at detention without trial, so that we know, instead of harassing the courts to do what you are doing, which is really awful.
The fact Mugabe is better.